Okay. In last class, we discussed about ascending order. Yes? What is ascending order? Ascending order means writing the numbers in smallest number to small to big. Smallest number to largest numbers. Yes? Okay. Today, let us going to learn about descending order. Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. That is, see, in our daily life, we use the strategy of coming down from up to down. Suppose we are on terrace. Then how we will come down? From up to down. From last step to first step, no? Okay, that is while coming down. Last step to first step. That is big number to small number. Big to small is called descending order. Big number to small number. Okay. This is quite opposite to ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. Here also same rules. You should follow the same rules. Okay. Descending order means largest to smallest. Here see, I will explain you with an example. Descending order. Descending order means largest number to smallest number. See here, I gave for you 3 4-digit numbers. Whenever you want to write the numbers in ascending, descending, place values, face value, whatever it may, first you should read the numbers. You should read the given numbers. Every time you should read the given numbers. Number name, expanded form, place value, face value, predecessor, successor. Okay, whenever pattern, every time you should read the number name clearly. Okay, see here I give for you 4,387, 3,298, 3,654. 3 numbers, 3 4-digit numbers. How we done in ascending order? Same like that. Here also you should arrange that numbers in place value chart. Place value chart. Here all are 4-digit numbers now. So you should arrange that numbers in place value chart. Side I will show. I am giving you chart, that column place value chart. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. In 4,387, 4,000s, 300s, 8 tens, 7 ones. In 3,298 there are 3,000s, 200s, 9 tens and 8 ones. Next, in 3,654 there are 3,000s, 600s, 5 tens and 4 ones. Okay. Now, here also you should follow the rules, that comparison. Whenever we want to compare the numbers, we should follow that rules. First rule, we should compare the number of digits in the given numbers. Here all are 4-digit numbers. So then you should check the first digit from your extreme left. You should check first digit from your extreme left. Okay. See here. First digit from your extreme left means in the first number, that means see here I gave 4-digit numbers now, all are 4-digit numbers now. Then what is the first digit? What is the place? Thousands place. You should see the digit in the thousands column. Okay, in the first number 4 is there in thousands column, and then the second number 3 is there in the thousands column, and in third number also 3 is there in thousands column. Then you should compare these thousands place only. First of all, you should compare the digits which are there in thousands column. Now 4, 3, 3. Then which is big number? Here we want to write the big number first. Why? Because we are writing the numbers in descending order. So here we should select the big number. Which is big number? 4 or 3? 4 is big number. Okay, 4 is big number. So you should write 4,387 in first place in the descending order. Okay, now compare the next two numbers. Here if you observe these two numbers, here in these two numbers The digit in the thousands place is same. 3, 3. Then you should go to second rule. Okay, what is the second rule? If first digit from your extreme left is equal, then go to next higher place. What is the next higher place? Hundreds place. Thousands after hundreds only, no higher place. So you should see the digit which is there in hundreds place in the two numbers. See here, in the first number there is 2 in hundreds column, and in the last number 6 is there in hundreds column. 2 is there in the first number and 6 is there in the last number. Then now you compare which is big number, 2 or 6. Yes, 6 is big number. That means 2 is less than 6. 2 is less than 6. That means 6 is big number. Here we want to write big number first, no? So you should write the third number in second position. What is the third number? 3654. The 3654 you should write in the second position, second place. Now the last number is 3000. You should take that second number and write in the third place, 3298. Then now what is the descending order of the given numbers? 4387, 3654 and 3298. That means 4387 is greater than 3654 and this is greater than 3298. That means descending order means largest number to smallest number. Okay, while coming down like that, from biggest number to smallest number is called descending order. Here I will give you two more examples. See first one, 5376. I already said to you, beta, every time you should read the numbers carefully. See here, 5376, 4279, 5321 and 4480. Four digit numbers. All are 4-digit numbers now. Here see, all are 4-digit numbers. Okay. First you should check that one. All are same number of digits or not. If all are 4-digit numbers, then go to rule number 2. What is the rule number 2? You should check the first digit from your extreme left. Here all are 4-digit numbers now. So that extreme left thousands column, you should see the digit which is there in the thousands column. See here, in the first number there is 5 in thousands column and second number 4 is there. Third number again 5 is there and fourth number 4 is there. Then 5, 4, 5, 4. Overall 5 and 4 only the digits. Then which is big number? 5 is big number. But 5 is in two numbers. 5 is there in thousands column in two numbers. Then now you should see that two numbers only. Don't see that other two numbers which is 4 is there, which 4 is there in the thousands place. First you select from these two numbers which is big number. Here if you observe these two numbers, first digit is equal, no? 5, 5. Then go to second digit in these two numbers only. Understood? In these two numbers only you should go to second digit. Here see in the first number, now which two are equal, in which two numbers are, there is a first digit is equal, first number and third number. Now you should see that first number and third number only. Okay. Now in the first number, first digit, that means thousands column 5 is there. And in third number also first digit, thousands digit, 5 is there. Then go to hundreds place. See, in the first number, hundreds place, 3 is there. And in third number, hundreds place, if you observe the thousand and the hundreds place, here also 3 is there. Thousands digit same, hundreds digit also same in these two numbers. Then what you will do? Go to third digit. Go to third digit. That means tens place. See tens place in the first number. There is 7 in tens place. Then which digit is that in tens place in the third number? 2 is there in tens place. 2 is there in tens place. Then which is big number? 7 or 2? Yes, 7 is big number. So you should write that first number in the first place. 5376. Immediately you should write the third number in the second place because 5 is greater than 4 now. So you should write that third number in the second place. Now come to second number and fourth number. Now you select the big number from these two numbers only. See here, what is the second number? 4279. And what is the fourth number? 4480. Okay, now these two are 4-digit numbers. Then you should select the first digit. What is the first digit from your extreme left? 4. In these two numbers, thousands digit is same. Then go to hundreds digit. What is the hundred digit? Which digit is there? Which number is there in hundreds digit in the second number? 2. Okay, which digit is there in the hundreds place in fourth number? 4. Then which is big number, 2 or 4? 4 is big number. So you should write that fourth number in the third position. That is 4480. Next, 4279. This is the arrangement of numbers in descending order. Okay, biggest number to smallest number. Now here see one more example. 1469, 5184, 3215 and 5814. First you should read the number names. You should read that numbers clearly. Now see, all are 4-digit numbers now. Now select the see the first digit of every number from your extreme left. What is the first digit? 4-digit numbers means you should see the thousands place. Okay, in the first number there is 1 in thousands place, and in the second number 5 is there, and in third number 3 is there, and in fourth number again 5 is there. Now which is big number? 5 is big number, but 5 is there in 2 numbers. 5 is there in thousands place in 2 numbers, second number and fourth number. Now go to second higher place, that means hundreds place. In the second number in hundreds place 1 is there. In fourth number hundreds place 8 is there. Then which is big number, 1 or 8? 8 is big number. So you should write 5814. First you should write 5814 because that is big number. Next immediately you should write that 5184 because first thousands place is greater than the other two numbers. So you should write 5184. Okay, two numbers over. Next, again 2 numbers are there. You should select which is big number from the 2 numbers. The 2 numbers also 4-digit numbers. Then you should check the first digit of the given numbers. That is thousands column digit. Here in the thousands column digit 1 is there, and in the third number thousands column digit is 3. Then which is big number, 1 or 3? 3 is big number. So you should write 3250 in the third position. Next, the last number is 1469. That is smallest number. Now this is the descending order. This is the arrangement of descending order. Write the numbers in descending order means you should write the big number first. You should write the numbers in the order of big to small. Okay. This is about descending order. Okay. Okay. Descending order means largest number to smallest number. Ascending order means smallest number to largest number. Whenever you are writing ascending and descending orders, you should follow these rules. Okay. First of all, you should check the number of digits in the given numbers. If the number of digits are same, then you should see the first digit from your extreme left. If from your extreme left first digit is equal, then go to before digit. Next go to next higher place. That also equal, then go to next higher place. Okay. Okay children. Thank you.